ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED laptop, 15.6-inch 3K OLED 120Hz display, Intel Ultra 7 155H, ARC graphics, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Backlit Keyboard, Wi-Fi 6E, Windows 11 Pro and Office lifetime license, with Jawfoal accessories. Brand ASUS. Model name ASUS Vivobook S15. Screen size 15.6 inches. Color mist blue. Hard disk size 1 TB. CPU model Core i7 family. RAM memory installed size 16 GB. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. Special feature Backlit Keyboard, HD audio, memory card slot. Graphics card integrated. About this item. Intel Ultra processor. The ASUS Vivobook S15 laptop is powered by the latest Intel Ultra 7 processor with speeds up to 4.8 GHz and 16 cores. Paired with 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB PCIe G4 SSD, it provides smooth multitasking and ample storage space. Audio technology. Thanks to Harman Kardon sound effects and Dolby Atmos technology, the ASUS Vivobook S15 delivers rich sound quality. Built-in speakers provide detailed and immersive audio to enhance your experience whether you are watching a movie or listening to music. 3K OLED display. The 15.6-inch 3K OLED Nano Edge display offers stunning visuals with a resolution of 2880 by 1620 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. With 100% RGB color gamut and 500 nits peak brightness, the screen delivers vivid and lifelike images and videos. Thin and light. This laptop is thin and light, measuring 13.92 inches x 9.72 inches x 0.63 inches and weighing only 3.31 pounds, making it easy to carry. It also includes multiple connectivity options such as Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, HDMI 2.1 TMDS, and 3.5mm audio jack to easily connect devices. Battery life and keyboard. The Backlit Keyboard ensures easy typing in low-light conditions, while the laptop's up to 10 hours of battery life allows for extended use without frequent charging. Product description. The ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED elevates your laptop encounter, harmoniously blending advanced technology with a clean, minimalist design at just 3.31 pounds. It showcases the power of the Intel Ultra 7 processor for exceptional performance, a dedicated Copilot key for more AI exploration, a substantial 16-hour battery life, and a captivating 3K ASUS Lumina OLED screen. It also includes a 180 degrees hinge, ergonomically designed keyboard with vibrant RGB backlighting, a bigger touchpad and an ASUS RE-Sense camera. This laptop is the perfect companion for modern life. Statement. Original seal is opened for upgrade ONLY. If the computer has modifications, then the manufacturer box is opened for